They took them all over there, so I have to come over here. Oh boy. Bumper boat. Falling down.
Are you okay, sir?
Yeah. Tall guy, big guy. All right. Here we are, Cultus Lake Adventure Park. Oh my goodness. My mom wants to do bumper boats. Now I gotta go find her. So our mission, if we choose to accept it, is to find my mom. I think we better strap this down. Okay. There we go, we're strapped down. We're locked and loaded. Uh-oh, let's get out of here. Where is she? Ma? Ma, where are you? Look out! Look out! Oh no, he's spinning around? Ah! Someone's shooting me! Who's shooting me? That's not good. Oh no, there's spraying water everywhere. This craziness. Who's doing that? Who's doing the crazy spraying? Oh, come on. No. Ah! Someone's spraying me in the back. Who's that? That's my mom. Mom's doing, she's, oh, we were supposed to find her and she's spraying us. That's so rude. Oh no, 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 no. That's it. That's it. Coming around. Coming around. Ah! Ah! Oh, right in the head. Oh, another headshot. Oh, gotta get some distance. There you go. Ah! 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 Gotcha. Ah! No, 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 no. Ah, no. Oh, no. Ah! Okay, enough, enough. Ah! 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 I'm getting shot from somebody else now. This is crazy. Oh no! I gotta get. Oh, got shot in the head again. Ah! Keep getting shot in the head. She's chasing me. She's chasing me. So much. How did my mom get so mean? She's still chasing me. Oh, now it's my turn. Ah! Oh no! Not again! Oh, run away! Run away! Oh! Oh! She's so mean. Where is she? What is she doing? Oh, I guess you better turn around. Turn around. There she is. There she is. Get her. Shoot. No, gotta get out of here. Run away. Run away. Run away. No, 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 don't push it. No, pushing me in the waterfall. No, pushing me in the waterfall. No, I don't want to go in the waterfall. Don't put me in the waterfall. No. Oh. Okay. Ah, I'm being shuttled. People shooting at me. This is craziness. Who said that? Who said this was gonna be fun? Oh, now we got her. Now we gotta line her up. Line her up. Fire! Ah! No, 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 no. Oh. Oh no! It's time to go in. There we go. Okay, where'd Ma go? Oh, she parked it. All right. Well, that was Cultus Lake bumper boats. Pretty crazy.
Thank you for coming in.
What she said. Now let's see if I can get myself out of here. May take a half an hour or so, but let's see if we can get out of here. All right. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here. Okay, that was Cultus Lake Adventure Park bumper boats, and Ma got me soaked.
So now you can refresh?
No. At least it wasn't that waterfall you got me under. All right,
Manage that one.
we're gonna try the roller coaster next, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe. See you next time. I thought I saw a bird go by.